everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion. It's summertime and summer means mango, and here comes the refreshing, soothing, beat the heat kind of recipe of mango mastani. Doesn't it look so delicious, yummylicious and mouth-watering? So without further saying, let's get into the recipe. But first thing first, hit the subscribe button if you're new and press the bell icon so that you get all the notification of my further video. Now jump into the recipe and make mango mastani. For that, here I have taken 2 large mangoes which are himsagar, because in Bengal himsagar is the king of mangoes. So I have cut them into big chunks and take it into the mixer jar. Next I'm going to add some condensed milk. You can use sugar if you want, but I want to make it rich. That's why I'm adding condensed milk. 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. There it goes. Next to that, I'm going to add 1.5 cup of chilled milk. Here it goes. Next goes 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream. Ice cream, use cream, or we all scream for ice cream. Next, in with the lid and nothing, just bits. So blend it into smooth mixture. It's going to be a thick kind of milkshake. So mix it over high speed for at least 4 to 5 minutes so that everything is incorporated and smooth. Next, into these glasses I'm going to serve them. So first, here goes 1 layer of chopped mango. I have chopped the mango in very small dices or small pieces. Next, 1 scoop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. You can use mango ice cream if you want, but vanilla ice cream will taste awesome. Next, pour the mango shake over it. See the consistency, these are very thick kind of milkshake. Don't pour all the way through, because leave some gap, because we're going to add some more ice cream, more vanilla ice cream. So here goes 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream more. You can use 2 scoops if you want. Next goes some chopped nuts. I'm going to garnish them with some chopped nuts, almonds, pistachio and cashew nuts, because it's mango mastani. It's loaded with some nuts and ice creams and mangoes and everything nice. Next I'm going to add some color. For that, here I'm going to add some pomegranate seeds, but generally people use tutti frutti or cherry, but they have artificial color, so I skip that and use pomegranate, which is colorful yet delicious. Now time to add some greens. Doesn't it look so delicious and refreshing? I just can't wait to dig into the glass. So I'm going to give you a full view of the glass. At the bottom, the mango cubes, and then the thick milkshake, and top it off with loads and lots of ice cream, nuts and pomegranate and everything. Oh, this is healthy, delicious, yummylicious, refreshing, and have it easy to make and just beat the summer with this interesting mango mastani recipe. I hope you like the recipe, so hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment in the comment section below, because your comments are very important, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.